Hello students and welcome back to our class on decimal. Today we will see addition, subtraction and multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, let us take one example for addition. Addition here it is given as 1.5 is added to 1.2. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the first number as it is. It is 1.5. So write it down 1.5. Okay, then a second number, what you have to do, you have to be careful. First put the point of the second number below the point of the first number. Then what is in the 10th place here? 2. The 10th place is 2, that is 5 is also under the 10th place. Then in the ones place or units place we have 1. Okay, don't forget to put the sign. Here it is addition. Be careful. Check whether it is addition, subtraction or multiplication what is given for you. Okay, now add as if you don't have a decimal points. Just go on adding by ignoring the points. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is coming under this 10th place. Now decimal point you can bring down because you don't have anything to do with the decimal points. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2.7. Let us take one more example. Let us take 4.03 plus 2.07. Okay, let us take this. First write the first number. Okay, that is 4.03. You have to add 2.07 down. Okay, so now put the decimal point first of the second number under the decimal point of the first number. Then what is in the 10th place here? 10th place is 0 and 100th place is 7. So put 7 under 3. 3 is also under the 100th place. We have learned the place value. And 2 is in the ones place. So put 2 in the ones place and it is addition. So add 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. The point comes down. 4 plus 2. 6. So this is the way you have to solve. Let's go for subtraction. So subtraction of decimals, we have to subtract 0.2 from 1.8. Okay, the second number is always smaller. So it is subtracted from 1.8. See that the second number should be small. Otherwise you have to interchange them. Okay, so 1.8, write as it is, the first number. It is subtraction 0.2. So put the point first. 2 under the 10th place and 0 under 1's place and subtraction sign. Now subtract as it is you are doing regularly. 8 minus 2 is 6, right below the 10th place. The point, don't forget, 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1.6 is the answer. Let's take another example. 4.6 minus 1.7. Okay, write the first number. 4.6 minus 1.7. So point under the point. 7 is coming below 6 in the 10th place and 1 is coming in the 1's place below 4 and the subtraction sign. So 1.7 is subtracted from 4.6. Okay, so here now check here. 6 is much smaller than 7 or 7 is greater than 6. So what we need to do is we need to borrow from 4. So we need to borrow 1 from 4. So when we borrow 1 from 4, okay, when we get 1 from 4, you need to take here 1 when we borrowed and this becomes 4 becomes 3. So here 16 minus 7 is 9. Point will come under the point, don't forget. Now what is remaining is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer is 2.9. Let us take another example for subtraction. 0.45 minus 0.06. 0.06 is subtracted from 0.45. So let us write down the first number 0.45 and 0.06. So point under the point first. 06, 06 and 0 is there in front of the point. Okay, subtraction sign. 5 minus 6 you cannot do, so we have to borrow from 4. When you borrow from 4, it remains as 3. Don't forget, and you give 1 for 5. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Now what is remaining is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. If you are not removing anything, that is 0 from the number, so the number comes back down. Point under the point. 0 minus 0 is 0. So answer is 0.39. Let us go for multiplication. Okay, multiplication of decimals. We are doing 9.7 is multiplied with 6. So let me write the first number. 9.7 is multiplied with 6. 6 doesn't have any decimal point. It is just a number in the ones place. So we have to put the 6 under the first number. Okay, now multiply as if you ignore the decimal point and multiply like how you used to multiply regularly. So 6 sevens are, it doesn't matter where you are placing the second number, okay, as long as it is alone. So 7 6 is 42. So we write 4, carry 4, 2 down below. 9 6 so 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. So we will write 58. Now is the time to put the decimal point. So let us put the decimal point. How you are going to put is, now look at the first number, it has a decimal point, so we have to put how many places it is moving. The point is always here, so it is moving just one place in between 9.7. okay, so to make it 9.7, so it is moving one place, so here also you have to give one place. So the answer is 58.2. Let us take one more example for multiplication. So let me take 5.2 multiplied by 7. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 5 7s are 35, plus 1, 36. Now the point here, it is moving only one place, and so it will move here also one place, same. Okay, let us solve one more example where both the numbers which are multiplied are decimal numbers. 3.5 is multiplied with 1.2. So now you place them properly. 9.5 is multiplied by 1.2. Point under the point, 2 here, 1 here. Okay, now you have to multiply. Ignore the decimal points first. Only for the result we will put the point. So 2 5s is 10, 0, carry 1. 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, cancel the 7 because we have one more place to follow. Okay, you can put a 0 or plus sign, anything whatever you want. I'll put a 0 because I don't have anything in the ones place. Okay, now 1 5s is 5. It is coming in the tens place. Okay, because we are moving for the next place value. And 1 3s is 3. Then add 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now the decimal place. Here count how many times it is moving. So here it is moving one time, and here it is moving another time. So 2 places it is moving. So same thing you have to give here because we are adding, no? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1, 2. So it will be between 4 point and 2. So the answer is 4.20. Let me take one more example. Fourth one. We will take 6.3 multiplied by 4.2. Okay. So let me write the first number. 6.3 is multiplied with 4.2. So point under the point, 2 and 4. 3 2s is 6. 2 6 are 12. You can put anything, 0 or plus. Let me put 0 because we are going to the 10th place, okay, the second place value, so we have to skip the ones place. So 4 3s is 12, carry 1. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, okay, 25. Remember to put the numbers one below the other, don't mix up. Now add all. 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 under 2 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, and this 2 here, okay. Now the decimal point, it is moving one place here and one place here. So how many places it is moving total? 2 places. So same thing you give here for the result, 1 2. So it is coming between 6 and 4. The answer 26.46. So with this we finished the chapter on decimals. Thank you students. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe.